Hi everyone, my name is Harshal. In this video we are going to talk about the concept of your Angular, which is your component and which is one of the most popular and important function provided by the Angular. So why we are using this particular component? Suppose I have a website which is a large website and the code size is about to 1000 to 3000 5000 code, or suppose 5000 line code. So when you are writing this particular code on a single HTML page of your Angular, the code will be very complex, and the readability of this code will be very difficult. And suppose there is an error in this particular file, so you will get lots of time to get sorted that particular error. So for overcome this problem, your Angular provides some features like component. So component is nothing but to divide particular tasks into parts, or to divide your particular website in the parts. Like I have a header, then content, then footer. So I will create the one component for your particular header, then for your content, then particular your footer. In the same way, I will keep this header and footer same, and then I will create this particular component for login page, and I will put this particular Angular page between this footer and header. So because the particular Angular is a single page web application, in this we are using some particular code again and again, like footer and header code, which going to be same for all the pages. So we are not going to write this particular code again and again. So due to component, we are getting this feature of reusability. Second advantage is we are going to lose couple. Suppose there is an error in a login method or login HTML, so you need it will not affect other part of program, as your login component is separated. So this component is created by the command ng generate component and component name. Another way, in shortcut, you can write ng space g space c and your component name. Now we will understand how we are going to share this particular data between your particular components. Suppose there is a relationship between parent and child relation between the two components. Then we are going to use the method parent to child data binding or data passing. In this, we are going to use the input and output object, and which is going to be used. Then if there is a relationship between your child and parent in reverse verse, then you have to, if you want to share the data reverse, you have to use inject and input and output methods. If suppose there is no relationship between both of this particular component, both are the child component or sibling components, then you have to create the service to share the data between them. To create the service, there is a command ng generate share service, your service name. Then there is another method. You can suppose I have written my method in app.component ts file, and I want to use that particular file in particular login component. Then I will create a constructor in particular login ts file, and then I will call this particular object and I will use that particular method. So this is how your components work in Angular. Thank you so much.